Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Monday the 10th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to learn some more math, guys. The first 9 weeks is almost over, so hang in there. Keep working hard. I don't want to scare any of you guys, but if scaring you helps you work harder, that's fine. Some of you are really close to passing or failing. Okay, so this test that's coming up on Wednesday is a real important test for some of you guys. Okay, so please work hard. Okay, all right, here we go. Here's the schedule for the week: review sheet today, review sheet tomorrow, and a test on Wednesday. Okay, Thursday notes and homework, Friday notes and homework. Okay, so there's our schedule for the week. Now, you have nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you over the weekend. Incomplete. Let's see what we have here real quick. Okay, guys, this was the cumulative review that I gave you on Tuesday. It was due Wednesday, okay? I did not get that from Emmanuel, Nathan, or Micah. No, it must be turned in by tomorrow. Remember, from now on, there are no exceptions on this. So if you turn this in Wednesday, I'm going to put a 0 on it and pass it back to you, okay? So it must be done by tomorrow if you want to get credit on it, okay? So please make sure you take care of that. If there's a problem, contact me. Okay, today we're going to review for the test on Wednesday. Now, I know that these 2 days of working on a review sheet can be boring. I get it, guys, okay? But listen, instead of being bored, be thankful that I give you these days to prepare for your test. Take this class time not only to work on your review sheet, but to also study the information that will be fill in the blank questions or listing questions, okay? So take advantage of this time. The more you study in school, the more free time you have at your house, okay? Mrs. Duke, like always, if there's any problems with anyone's behavior, you let me know, and they can forfeit their 5 bonus points on the review sheet, on the test, excuse me. Okay, now, here's the review sheet that is due Wednesday, okay? Page 97, 22 through 26, and page 160, numbers 7 through 32. The help video is called Geometry Track 2, Chapter 3 Review Sheet. It's only about 30 minutes long, guys. I do not understand. This review sheet right here is worth 5 bonus points. And yet there are still, after I give you guys every test this year, I've given you guys 2 days to work on it. And there has still not been one test yet where everyone turns it in. And by the way, I'm not trying to scare you guys. I want you to know I keep track of that. I have a little sheet in case I ever have a parent-teacher conference where a parent comes in and says, "Mr. Earhart, I'm not so sure you're doing a good job," and maybe I'm not. I'm not trying to defend myself, but I show the parents, look, I give them 2 days to work on a 27-minute video, and they didn't get it done. Okay, I keep track of who does the review sheet and who doesn't, because that's 5 bonus points on a test. Guys, tests are 60% of your final grade. You can raise your test average by 5 points. Okay? 5 points. Well, guys, 60% of 5 points is 3 points on your 9 weeks grade. 3 points on your 9 weeks grade. That means if you get a 67 and you fail, and you didn't do your review sheets, you would have had a 70 if you just would have done your review sheets. So I don't have any sympathy on students that don't take time and do this, okay? It's there to help you. Now let's go over what will be on the test as far as listing questions and fill in the blank questions, okay? So here we go. Now, Mrs. Duke, I'm not going to pause the video. I'm going to move on, okay? So you will want to pause the video until the students have written all this down and then restart the video, okay? But here it is. Now, this is kind of small, so Mrs. Duke might have to read it to you guys, but these 11 things right here are going to be fill in the blank, okay? These 11 things are going to be fill in the blank. Got it? Now, on your test, I'm going to say, list out the 4 things that we know about the 4 pairs of angles that are formed by 2 parallel lines and a transversal. Remember, what are the four things we know? Do you remember? Alternate interior angles congruent, alternate exterior angles congruent, corresponding angles congruent, and consecutive interior angles supplementary. That's it. And then I'm going to ask you to list out the 6 ways to prove that two lines are parallel. Okay? So this is what will be on your test when it comes to the memorization aspect. All right? Okay, I'm going to move on. Mrs. Duke, you can pause the video. All right, now, okay, we will try to go over your quizzes from last Wednesday tomorrow, okay? I'm still waiting to get Jose's quiz, and he's not behind. He's doing a great job, but once he gets that turned in, we will then go over the quizzes, okay? They are graded and entered into Sycamore if you want to see what you made, okay? And that's all for today, guys. Please get to work on your review sheet. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all. Oh, sorry, one more thing. Jose, you're listening to this intro video. Remember, I think you have study hall on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and the test is on Wednesday. So you are more than welcome to take the test on Thursday if you want, instead of Wednesday, okay, in study hall, all right? But I will not have it ready by Tuesday. So you can take it Wednesday at school sometime, which I know is difficult for you because I don't think you have a study hall on Wednesday. So if you want to take it Thursday, that's totally fine. Okay? All right.